Good day everyone. Welcome to the Fundamentals of Financial Reporting. I am Darushka Maduranga. I will be your lecturer for this subject. Here I have mentioned the roadmap that you need to follow to become a chartered accountant. Here you have 12 subjects and 4 pillars and 3 levels: business level, corporate level and strategic level. Once you completed your business level, you can be a certified business accountant. And once you completed your corporate level, you can be a CCA, then certified corporate accountant. And once you completed all 12 subjects and 3 levels, you can be a associate chartered accountant. That's your ultimate goal of your chartered accountancy journey. Why do you need to follow chartered accountancy? Here you have answer. You have range of job opportunities. Once you completed business level, that means once you completed 4 subjects in chartered accountancy, you can apply jobs like junior executive finance, staff accountant, fund accountant. For these jobs you can apply once you completed business level. Once you completed chartered accountancy journey, you can apply CFO, finance director. So for these jobs you can apply once you completed chartered accountancy journey. So your ultimate goal is to be CFO once you completed your chartered accountancy. Here I have mentioned the subjects under business level. You have 4 subjects to complete under business level: fundamentals of financial reporting, management accounting, audit. Finally you need to complete the business fundamentals and tax and law. You have only 4 subjects to complete under business level. Here you will see the examination method for the business level subjects. You will receive the 50 OTQ questions, and examination will be conducted in March, June, September and December, and you need to score 50% mark per paper to pass the examination. Then that means if you can answer 25 OTQs out of 50, you can pass the examination. And also this examination will be conducted as computer based examination, and you can answer to the paper by Sinhala, English and Tamil medium. Then you can use 3 medium to answer the questions. Here you can see the lessons under financial reporting subjects. Firstly, you will receive the introduction to financial accounting. Here we will discuss what is the basic of financial reporting, and also the second area is understanding the accounting process, and also the third area is preparation of a single entity financial statements, and fourth area for you under financial reporting subject is application of basic accounting standards for financial statements, and fifth we will teach you analysis of financial statements. Then finally you will learn sustainability financial reporting. Right? Only 6 areas you need to cover to pass this examination, pass these subjects. Here you can see the study plan for business reporting subjects at Enrich Business School. You will receive the full comprehensive theory session for the subjects. Then you can understand whatever the theory through these comprehensive theory sessions, as well as we will provide you lesson by lesson revision sessions. That means if you have 2 hours theory session, it will summarize for 15 minutes by revision sessions. And also you will receive lesson wise mock examination paper. That means you will receive 50 OTQ mock paper per each lesson. Then you can measure your knowledge related to each lessons. And also we will provide you link the dot memorizing strategy, as well as we will provide you 3 pilot paper before your final examination. Then you can get confidence before going to the examination. So this study plan is provided by Enrich Business School to you to pass the examination. Hope you have clear idea about fundamentals of financial reporting subjects. And if you need further information, you can contact us through this number, and also you can visit our website www.myenrich.lk, or you can visit our head office in Piliyandala. So through these ways you can contact us. Then we will see you in the class, and good luck for everyone.